In a cozy little home, a perfect sight, lived a cat of color, shining ever so bright. Not just one shade, but a tapestry grand, a beautiful fur ball, the best in the land. Oh, the black, white, and orange, a blend, a feline masterpiece, a true furry friend, with paws so gentle and eyes full of glee, the most charming cat you'll ever see. Sleek black as the night, a shadow so deep, mysterious and graceful, secrets to keep. Then patches of white like freshly fallen snow, a soft pure contrast, watching it grow. Oh, the black, white, and orange,